Welcome back to Dat Build, and to an episode that unfortunately I hope I would never have to do. I am obviously at a bit of progress. I won't give too much away because this episode, as I'm sure you can see by the amount of time this episode is going to take, is a filler. Once again, I've run out of time. I just do not have enough at this point in time. An hour a day to get this done when I'm so far behind is just not cutting the mustard. So as we can see, the car is turned around, front end's back on, and of course I am starting to work on the back. Again, more details about that, fingers crossed for next week, because otherwise I don't really want to be doing filler episodes all the time. This is stupid. But anyway, just a quick word, just saying that obviously this week is not happening. This is purely the episode, so don't expect anything longer after it, due course. I do hope you enjoyed last week's Dat Build feature. So I do want to do more of those in the future, hoping to meet a few more people with different types of cars, talk to them about their builds, and see what makes them tick, really. I mean, for me, it's the factor of pulling my hair out that I don't have enough time to work on cars. I'll get there eventually. But anyway, that's it. That really is the episode. As Maxwell Smart puts it, missed it by that much. And of course, I think that much was a bit more than... Anyway, so I'll hope to see you next week with a more full episode. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your week, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, hit that like button if you feel like it. I don't know, not for today. Like, subscribe, comment below, etc. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your neighbor that if you could stop time for about 5 hours a week extra, then that way I could work in this car a bit more and get it done a bit quicker. That'd be great. Tell your neighbor that, and who knows, I might get a lot more hours than that. Anyway, till next time, guys. Cheers.